Hello everyone. Today I like to take a few minutes to talk about my hometown. I live in a village called Kalikating, which is located in the Boja district within the Kendal Regency of Central Java. It's situated right at the foot of Mountain Ungaran, not too far from the city of Semarang. It's definitely not a big, noisy metropolis. Instead, it's a peaceful village surrounded by nature, green hills, and fresh air. I live here for about 15 years now, even though it's a relatively quiet place. Kaligati holds a very special place in my heart. If you ask me what Kalikating and the Boja area are famous for, the first thing that comes to mind is the natural scenery and cool climate. Because we are located in a highland region, the weather here is much cooler and fresher compared to the hot coastal cities nearby. The area is famous for its lush agricultural land, rubber plantation, and nature tourist spot. People from nearby cities often come to Boja on weekend to visit river spot, local outdoor resorts, or modern cafe hidden in the woods. The overall atmosphere in Kaligating is very sleepy and serene. In the morning, you wake up to the sound of bird, the fresh smell of morning mist, and green view of trees all around. What do I love most about living in Kaligading? Well, living here really suits someone who enjoy a peaceful lifestyle. First, I love the strong sense of community. In our village, everyone knows their neighbor. People are warm, friendly, and always ready to help one another through traditional community gathering and mutual cooperation. You really feel like you belong to a close kind family. Second, the environment is amazing. The air is clean, there is very little pollution, and you are constantly surrounded by nature. It's a great place to relax, unwind, and clear your mind after a busy week of work or school. Of course, life in a quiet village has its drawbacks too, and is not always completely convenient. One minor disadvantage is that transportation can be quite limited. If you don't have your own motorbike or car, getting around can be a bit challenging. Also, because it's a rural area, entertainment options are somewhat limited. There are no huge shopping mall or cinema complex. If you want to go to a big mall or access specialist facilities, you usually have to drive all the way to Semarang or Kendal city center, which can take quite a bit of time. Over the last 10 to 15 years, Kaligating and the surrounding Boja area have changed quite a bit. When I was younger, it was a much quieter village with fewer paved roads and very few commercial places. Nowadays, the infrastructure has improved significantly. Main roads are paved, internet access is widespread. It's becoming a popular weekend getaway spot. While I'm glad to see the local economy growing, I also hope that the village keeps its natural charm, green environment, and quiet soul in the future. Sum it up, despite being a bit far from big city entertainment, Calicut in Goja is a wonderful place to call home. It's green, peaceful, and filled with friendly people. Thank you so much for listening to my story, and see you guys in the next video.